how to transfer money from Trust Wallet to Exness. So since Trust Wallet or Exness doesn't accept each other, you can fund Exness by sending cryptocurrency from Trust Wallet to your Exness crypto deposit address. So make sure your Exness account is verified and you choose the correct coin and network, which is the most important part since you can't really reverse this. So of course, you're gonna get your address first. So go ahead into your Exness app, log into your account, open your profile, but anywhere you can find the deposit option. Over here, you can select your cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Choose the same crypto you have in the Trust wallet, of course. Then select the network. So copy the Exness wallet address, which you should be able to get in the deposit section. But once you have the address, go ahead directly into your Trust wallet. So tap the crypto you're sending. Let's say you went for Bitcoin, and once you're there, just go ahead and press on the send option. You're gonna have to paste in the address that you copied from the Exness wallet. Then put in the amount you have. So make sure the network is the same, of course, and the blockchain confirmation time will take around 1 to 5 minutes or 5 to 30 minutes, but pretty much just depends. So just go ahead and put in the amount again, as we mentioned, and press on next. So again, do not send crypto on the wrong network or send unsupported coins. Also, don't send without copying the exact address. So a wrong network pretty much means the funds may be lost permanently. But that's pretty much the process on how you can send or transfer money from Trust Wallet to Exness. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.